But sometimes abstract noun behaves like a common noun. Then we get confused to understand it. Let's solve it. Firstly, note it. Article plus abstract noun is equal common noun, and abstract noun plus SES is equal common noun. And generally, time is an abstract noun, but when we use an article before it, it behaves as a common noun. Let's see examples. Let's see the differences in two sentences. First sentence, we have enough time to complete the task. Here, time is an abstract noun because here time is alone. There is no article before it, and here is no SES with time. In the second sentence, we cannot get back the time that we lost. Here time is a common noun because here is article plus abstract noun, so it is a common noun. So mind it, article plus abstract noun is equal common noun, and abstract noun plus S or yes is equal common noun. Thank you for watching. Happy learning and subscribe our channel for more videos.